footage used in this video belongs to the original owner. The Disney World Club does not claim ownership of any of the footage and only uses it under fair use. Please support the original proprietors using the links below. Hi guys, welcome to the video from the Walt Disney World Club. Today, in this video, we're going to be looking at a much more serious issue than usual, as today we're going to be looking at what to do if your Walt Disney World vacation has been cancelled due to coronavirus. We are going to be, in this video, looking at how to get 100% of your money back on everything you've paid for, and also 100% how to reschedule your Walt Disney vacation to a later date. So, without further ado, let's get on with today's video. So the first step to getting 100% refund from your Walt Disney World vacation is actually to cancel everything that is non-related to Disney World that a lot of people may forget. Now, we cannot guarantee, depending on what you've booked, whether you'll get a refund on these, because these things may include car rentals, stroller rentals, if you've got a reservation for a non-Disney restaurant, or you're planning to switch to a non-Disney hotel, you need to cancel all of that and see what refunds you can get. Now, if you cancel, they may not give you a refund, so you might want to wait for them to cancel on you, so they are forced to give you a refund. Now, another thing that you might have to do is a lot of people do Disney and Universal at the same time on the same vacation. So if you have any Universal tickets, you might want to cancel them. And how are you going to get to Universal? Have you got taxis? Have you booked the taxis? If you've got any taxis, you might want to cancel them as well. So you've got to make sure everything you have bought that is non-Disney related, you have to cancel and see if they will give you a refund. And remember, if they have to cancel on you, they have to give you a refund. So if you refuse, you've got to press up on that and get that money back. Okay, we're moving on to the next step to get 100% of your Walt Disney World vacation fund back in your bank. So now this may be a bit of an obvious one, but you're going to want to cancel your Walt Disney World park tickets and hotel booking if that's what you've taken. Now obviously they will give you a full refund for cancelling, and they will also make it very clear how to get that refund and get it into your bank. All the information will probably email to you or contacted in you from somewhere from Walt Disney World themselves. They want to ensure you get the full refund, so hopefully you'll go back to the parks later. This is obviously quite an obvious one, but it's important. You've got to make sure you get that refund, especially if you're overseas or far away from Walt Disney World. It may be hard to get that refund, or if they are going to email you, you want to check your junk folder daily to see when that money is going to be coming through and if you're going to be getting it back, which I assure you Disney will, as when they cancel it on you, which they have done as they've closed the parks, they will be giving you the refund. As long as you haven't cancelled, which they will still give you a refund, they have to give you a refund, but make sure you get that refund. Don't take half a refund or a quarter, get that refund. Okay, now we're going to be moving on to how to rebook your Walt Disney World vacation for a different time once the entire COVID-19 pandemic has completely blown over. So now you've cancelled your vacation, you may be thinking, well, I still want to go to Disney World, how can I reschedule? And this is how. Well, if your vacation has been cancelled, you probably won't be able to go for a while. Obviously, if your vacation hasn't been cancelled, you could possibly get a slot in the parks. The phased reopenings will begin on July 11th with Animal Kingdom and Magic Kingdom, and then followed up by July 15th with Hollywood Studios and Epcot. Now, obviously, if your vacation has been cancelled, this isn't much use to you, and they have not confirmed any new bookings. They are not taking new bookings, but Disneyland Shanghai are taking new bookings. No other Disneys are currently. They are talking about introducing a new reservation system, but no information about this new reservation system has yet been uncovered or released or anything. So that's all we've got to go off. If your vacation has been cancelled and you still want to go, then all you can do is wait and hope that this new reservation system will include you. Most people think it will include only Florida residents, but we really don't know. Maybe it's annual pass holders, maybe it's whatever. We do not know yet. But anyway, thank you for listening. We're going to now cut to the outro. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you're all doing well in these hard and confusing times, and I hope you all enjoyed this a bit more serious video than usual. If you feel like donating any money, I'll link to some charities in description that are helping fight coronavirus and COVID-19. So if you feel like donating to them, go and donate. It will really help, the cures, the vaccines. It will help people in foreign countries who don't have the hand washing amenities even that we have. So if you feel like doing that, go links in the description. But if not, I'd just like to thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, and I hope to see you in another video. Goodbye.